Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Lfgswap finance token. Ticker symbol is LFG. This token just got recently listed on CoinGecko, maybe CoinMarketCap as well. Right now it's up 34.8%. It's doing very well today. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. So the Lfgswap token, you could probably guess that how you'd get this token is from the Lfgswap. It's from their own exchange on their webpage. So that's what it has listed on CoinGecko as basically the only places that you could get this token. Now, you might be able to get it other places. They're just not listed on here. But basically, you would go to their webpage and you find their swap. We'll go step by step how to do that in a second. But it is paired on there with BUSD or Ethereum. So those are the two things that you would use to buy this token. So you have choices on which token to use. And yeah, on CoinGecko, you can find the price, the chart, the contract address, their block explorer. There is no contract address on here, just their block explorer. Also, their Twitter, Telegram, GitHub, their application. Oh, there is a contract address on here as well. So both of those are on their block explorer and contract address. Now, if you go over to their official webpage, you go to app.lfgswap.finance. That's where you can find their swap, liquidity, bridging, earning, where you can go through farms or pools, info, document section. You would connect your wallet to the page, your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet, fund it with either one of those tokens that I mentioned, and then you would trade those for the LFG token on their swap. Now, if you want to find information about this token, you don't want to check out the app, you just want info, you go over to lfgswap.gitbook.io. So it says Lfgswap helps you make the most out of your crypto in 3 ways: trading, earning, and winning. Lfgswap is a community-driven organization built to solve what might be called the liquidity problem. One could define this problem as the inability to disparate forms of liquidity to connect with markets in a decentralized way and vice versa. While other solutions provide incrementally progressive advances towards solving the problem of liquidity, Lfgswap's progress is intended to create a broader range of network effects. Rather than limiting itself to a single solution, Lfgswap intertwines many decentralized markets and instruments. Thus far, the core products, which will be described in more detail here, include a decentralized exchange, yield instruments, an auction platform, an automated market maker framework, and staking derivatives. Lfgswap products are configured in a way that allows the entire platform to maintain decentralized governance of the LFG token holders while continuing to innovate in a collective foundation by design. Whereas major structural changes are voted on by the community, the day-to-day operations, rebalancing of the pools and ratios, business strategy, and overall development is ultimately decided on by our core team. The following documentation details the functional and technical aspects of the ecosystem products, as well as customized tutorials to walk you through all of Lfgswap's exciting features. So there's trading, instantly swap tokens, no registration or account needed. The people's choice. Lfgswap is the leading decentralized exchange on the Ethereum POW chain. Low fees, why pay more? Lfgswap runs on Ethereum POW chain, a blockchain with much lower transaction costs than Ethereum or Bitcoin. Trading fees are lower than other top decentralized exchanges too, so that's a double win for you. And it's decentralized. Trade directly from your wallet app. Unlike centralized exchanges like Binance or Coinbase, Lfgswap does not hold your funds when you trade. You have 100% ownership of your crypto. You can earn LFG and other tokens for free with super high interest rates. Earn tokens with LFG pools. Stake your LFG, earn free tokens. It's really that easy. LFG holders right now are earning tens of millions of USD worth of free tokens each week from major projects. Earn LFG with yield farms. Stake LP tokens, earn LFG. You take on a little more exposure to market fluctuations with the LFG pools, but you can earn higher APR to offset the risk. Earn trading fees. No farm, no problem. Even if your trading pair isn't supported on the farms page, you can still earn trading fees when you stake your tokens in liquidity pools. So there's NFT collectibles. Win NFT collectibles for participating in trading competitions and more fun and games. There's predictions. There's all sorts of things on here now. Let's skip down to the tokenomics here. So it says it's on the Ethereum POW chain, proof of work that stands for. Max supply of this token is 1 billion tokens. Start a supply, it says 30 million. Now, 60% of the tokens go to farming. 15% goes to the community. 10% exchange. 6% central exchange launchpad reserve. 3% ecology. 3% liquidity. 3% advisors. So that's the distribution. Now, so what is the maximum supply? Cryptocurrencies and tokens built on the blockchain have to set up algorithmically created release schedules. This means that we can accurately predict how many coins will be made by a specific time. Max supply, the coins tokens that will be ever produced as soon as the maximum supply is reached. There will be no more coins than the maximum supply of 1 billion. So besides that, I don't see any like taxes or slippage or anything like that. It says there is going to be burning. This is a deflationary token. There is fees, like withdrawal fees and things like that, and different purchases for NFTs, stuff like that, but I don't see any like just specific taxes. But yeah, besides that, check this out, lfgswap.getbook.io. You can find them listed on CoinGecko. Check out their application, app.lfgswap.finance. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.